Hi.
Hey. Hi, Mom. Ah! You scared me. We gotta go in the street. 2. 1. Finally. Hi. Hi, Dave.
You got a video.
Yeah, big part too is everyone we've met so far is nice.
Which is hard to find traveling everywhere.
Yeah, big part too is everyone we've met so far is nice.
Which is hard to find traveling everywhere.
Today, we are cleaning the car. Got the boys out here. How do you turn it off? Okay, go. You don't want nobody. Go around one time. It's caught around. Here, okay, turn it off so we can wash it. This boy is not playing. My car has been filthy, freaking dirty, and she needs this. Come on, come grab a towel.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here
Here's the bag for you.
but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move by you giving scene of views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. Think you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, you ain't pro. But you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
They did that. It's looking good in here. Mel, y'all did that. It looked good and clean. Come on.
Welcome to my new ride.
Huh? And they earned their treat for doing such a good job with the car. Mel, where you at? Ooh, they got Forever Rochers. Which one do you want? What are you gonna? A toy? Okay. Chocolate wafers. So which one do you want? Those ones you freeze. They're the slushy freeze one. You want those or the other one? Okay. Daddy, you just want a toy? Let me get one of these. Yummy.
It's your drink.
Jaren, what you got? What you getting? What?
Hey, look it. It's for the pool. Watercolor.
Before we go out to California, I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna get a big poster board and I'm gonna make a giant, what is it called?
I got a sticky one.
Summer bucket list.
Okay. What'd you choose? You chose the harmonica.
So did I.
What you got?
I got ice cream and I got chocolate.
All right, let's go. To the register we go.
Can I get a drink?
Yeah, you can grab one drink. And to the register we go.